Hi everyone. Maybe you've seen the TV show Rick and Morty, and if you haven't, you probably should. Just quick pro tip, don't watch it with your kids. This time we'll be building a fully functional portal gun from Rick Sanchez from that TV show, and when I say fully functional, I don't just mean some pretty lights. I'm actually talking about this. As you can see, that works. Another pro tip, find out where the portal is going before you throw your smartphone into it. So for this build I 3D printed the main part of the gun, the lid that goes on top of the gun, this is the bulb that goes on top of the lid, the smaller bulbs that go in the front of the gun, this is a display that fits in the lid, this is the button that goes on here, and a battery compartment that fits two AAA batteries. For electronics you need a small clicky button, I have 4 green LEDs and obviously wire and a soldering iron to put it all together. Now, obviously to make it fully functional you have to do a lot more than what I showed you, but that part is top secret. Sorry. Now what else to do with an invention like this?